Today you are joining me on a mission here to solder up this cable because, the customer complained my mother dropped off her computer and said that it wasn't charging. So after some visual inspection and questioning my mother how much she falls asleep on her computer while she's coming home from work, being tired and checking out the news before she falls asleep, it was pretty obvious that it was some kind of fault with the cable. So I did a wiggle test, and after doing a visual inspection, of course, it had a small bump on it, just at the contact there, and so we did a wiggle test, and turned out to be some kind of the strands were broken, and when I peeled back the whole thing, it appeared that they were broken. So I wouldn't want to let you sit and watch there through that whole process. Nothing special there, just like I told you. Was just my suspicion, and it turned out to be true, but that could be one of the issues. There could be more issues. Probably not shorted out the transformer there and so on. Has probably not been damaged because the inner isolation there was intact, so not too worried about that. But we're going to solder this up and make her a temporary fix, because I've already ordered her a new one. So this could be a way for her to not, like she said, be totally disconnected from the world every day there. So let's set you down closer there and get to it. Nothing special really. Just watch me solder this up and so on. My mother have to be a little more careful with this particular cable. Very nice blob right there of this apparently very toxic solder. I don't know why. I'm gonna have to check that up. Kolofonium, whatever that is. Kolofonium. Yep. Wear protective gloves and dispose of this as hazardous material. That sounds really, can cause allergies with the contact with skin. Okay, there you go. But it's really good. I haven't had any problems with that. And no, because I believe it's filled with flux. That particular one. Well, that's good enough for what we are doing here. So I'm just gonna tape that piece up and get on with it with the next piece there. Oh man, it's on this side it was where it was broken, and I don't have really much to play with there, so I'm just gonna use that part as it is, and just try to loosely just shove them together and put some solder on there. Have usually worked. Don't really particularly like when you use the twist method. everyone does it differently, I guess, but that's just how I do it, which regularly works because well, you have nice strands and they intertwine, and gives it a really good this time I have to twist it some, I guess. It's a difficult one, but well, that's not bad. It's not bad. Could work with that. Yep. It's gonna hold there. I need a third hand, which I don't have, because they are freakishly expensive in my country, state, whatever you want to call it. Just outrageous prices on some stuff. Really simple stuff too. So I guess I could make one, actually. I do like making tools. Maybe you'll be with me on that one. Or I know you will, because I have one of those planned. I also have one recorded already. So see some specialty tools, which is kind of fun, I think, to make. Let's see. There you go. Yeah, there you go. That's a nice blob there, isn't it? I think so. So yes, and now well, it looks kind of isolated from each other, so let's try it out. The computer right here. Throw it into the socket there. Connect it, and well, there you go. Simple as that, or simple and simple, but hey, just gonna wrap it up with some electrical tape there, the whole thing, and use the old support there a little for well, support. So yeah, that will be it for this video, I guess. Pretty simple. Got her done. Get her done.